Getting started options, the multiple ways for you to engage with the Kivana product line and opportunity. There are multiple ways to come into the Kivana business: as a retail customer, as a preferred customer, or as a business owner. Those three options will be discussed over the next several slides. The first way to come into the Kivana business is to simply order products from the person who introduced you to the Kivana product line by becoming a retail customer. In doing so, you'll be able to order directly off the web, and the products will be delivered directly to your front door. The proverbial no-brainer of entering into Kivana has to do with becoming a preferred customer. In this case, the person that introduced you to Kivana will be able to set you up as a preferred customer where you're going to save 20 to 30% over retail prices. In other words, you're going to buy the products at the same wholesale price that a Kivana independent business owner would buy the products. But in addition to that, you'll be able to get the products delivered directly to your front door. You'll be able to order off the web. If you choose, you'll be able to set up an auto ship order where the products will come to you automatically each month without even having to place the order, and you can adjust or cancel that at any time. But very importantly, as a preferred customer, you're also going to be able to earn commissions by referring the products to other people. The third way to come into Kivana is simply as a Kivana business owner. The threshold of doing so is to be able to buy a sales kit. You'll either purchase that sales kit by itself or in a pack. And of course, when you come in as a business owner, you're going to purchase the products at wholesale prices and be able to participate in all 8 ways of making money in Kivana: the quick start bonuses, team commissions, retail profits from retail customers, the leadership bonus pool, the iPads reward program, the car bonus program, the Dream Week program, and the Mega Bonuses program. All of those have been profiled in the Kivana compensation overview. The first way, as we mentioned, is buying a sales kit, and that sales kit can either be purchased individually or you can buy it along with a pack. The sales kit itself is $55, and that is the threshold for you entering in as a business owner in Kivana. The vast majority of people who come into Kivana as a business owner buy the sales pack along with products so that they can start to establish for themselves the experience of using the Kivana product so that they're able to tell those experiences to other people that they're introducing the Kivana business and product line to. The first possible kit to be able to buy actually is the Total Health Pack. This also includes the sales kit, and you can see that you save $75 on this cumulative purchase over buying those products individually. In this case, you're going to get all 3 of the Kivana product systems as you start your business: the Kivana Core System, Metabolic System, and Prime System. In this scenario, you're going to be able to use all of the products, and you have entered into the Kivana business as the result of the purchase of your sales kit. A more popular option is for people to come in actually buying 2 sales kits and 2 total health packs, which saves one $200. Now, the importance of this is basically saying that as you come into your Kivana business, you're anticipating sponsoring someone pretty quickly, because what will happen is you will have your total health pack, which will include your products and your sales kit, but you'll have an extra one, which means that you're intending to come out of the gates quickly and sponsor someone quickly as you start your Kivana business, and as you sponsor them and they place their order, because you will have an extra sales kit and total health pack, you'll be able to give it to those people while they await the arrival of theirs, at which time they can repay you when they get that delivery. That gets them out of the gates quickly without having to wait for the product experience that they'll have, and becoming the business owner as the result of them getting out and introducing the Kivana products and opportunity to other people in their network. A very popular and perhaps most popular way to be able to come into the Kivana business was when people come in with 4 sales kits and 4 total health packs. This is basically saying that you are very serious about building a very significant income, and you want to be able to do it very rapidly. Because in this case, you buy 4 total health packs, 4 sales kits. And what that means is you're going to have your own personal total health pack, your own personal sales kit, but you'll have 3 others in addition. What that means is you sponsor 4 or more people getting out of the gates quickly, you're going to be able to have sales kits that are going to be in motion. You're going to be able to give it to the new person that you sponsored. They will replenish your supply when they get theirs after having placed their order, but it gets you off to a very, very fast start. It models that behavior in your organization. And very importantly, when you come in at this level, the 1,000 point business pack, for the first 4 rolling weeks of your business, you're going to get a 40% quick start on any volume generated by the people that you sponsor. That means that as you sponsor someone new, whatever their volume is that they came in with, in the first 4 rolling weeks, your fast start commission is 40%. It is normally either 10 or 20% after those first 4 rolling weeks. But in that first 4 rolling weeks, you can earn up to 40%. Meaning, if you sponsor someone that comes in at the 1,000 point business pack, you would actually be looking at a $400 first order commission or quick start bonus that will get you out of the gates and start putting money in your pocket quickly. If you sponsor 2 people, then you're looking at $800. If that month you sponsor 3 people who come in at a 1,000 point pack, then you're looking at in excess of $1,200. You basically have all of your money back in the first month if you're sponsoring 3 other people that come in at the 1,000 point pack, if in fact that's exactly what you did. Many of the big builders that look to make money quickly and develop a very significant income come in at this level. There is no right level, whether it is 1 total health pack with 1 sales kit, 2 or 4, you pick the one that is right for you. There is no absolute right one. There are certainly some benefits to the 4 because of the 40% commission that's available to you in the first 4 rolling weeks, but there is no right one for anybody. Everybody's circumstances are different financially. Pick the one that's right for you. Just remember, the sales kit is the threshold to become an independent business owner. Then logically, you want some products to be able to have a product testimonial to the people that you're going to be talking to. And the great purchase to be able to do that is at least 1 total health pack to get your business started. You're also going to want, as you enter into the business, to choose an auto ship. To build a business, it is a best practice for you to become a product of the product by setting yourself up on an auto ship for your products. You'll want to teach this to your team as a best practice behavior, and you can modify your auto ship at any time. Serious builders tend to set themselves up on an auto ship that includes personal product use plus product to get the new person started immediately, like we talked about over the last several slides. And very importantly, your auto ship will determine the amount that you're going to be earning in the fast start or quick start bonuses. You'll see the details of that as you review the compensation plan presentation. Again, in review, there are 3 ways to come into the Kivana business. Option 1, come in as a retail customer. Option 2, the no-brainer, come in as a preferred customer, save 20 to 30%, be on auto ship, and be able to earn commissions as you refer the products to other people. And number 3, come in as a Kivana business owner, where you can start to create a secondary income that very rapidly could become a primary income, and over a long-term basis, as you build a sustainable business, this could become a long-term residual income. Choose your way. Come join us in Kivana.